In this video, we will learn count function. What is count function or count formula and how to use it? So we're going to start the count function.
How can we use the count function? The count function allows us to count. If you read it, it says it counts the number of cells in a range that contains numbers. So we can use it to count this column. And so we have a total of 10 cells that contains numbers. So this is the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 cells that contain numbers. Now if you try to use it with a column of data that don't contain numbers, you're gonna get a value of 0. So that's the for-function account function. It helps you to count the number of cells with numbers. The next one is the count function or count a function. And so this function allows you to basically count the number of cells that are not empty. So these could be cells with a text or a number. So if we highlight these cells, we're going to get a count of 10. Now let's say if we have Mazda, if we have a number 25, let's say we have Toyota, and then 37, and then let's say Jim, let's say Carla, 12. If we try to use the count function on this, it's only going to count 2 numbers because it counts 25 and 37. It doesn't count this one, which contains the letters and numbers. So that's the count function. If we use the count function or the count a function, it'll count every function that is not empty. And so it counts all of these functions. If we try to use it on this entire range, it still gives us 6. It doesn't count the empty cells. Now there is a function that does count the empty cells, and that is the count blank function. So notice that we have 3 empty cells, 1, 2, 3. And so that's the count blank function. So now you know how to use the count and account a function in Excel.
Hi, I am Annie. In this video, we learned Excel formulas, Excel count function. So thanks for watching. Take care and bye.